Welcome back to Higher Lines. After signing in, you'll arrive on the job description page. To create a new job description, go to the top right and click Add New JD. On the job description page, search for the role you need. I'll choose Python Django Developer. The description, role and department, experience, and skill set fields are pre-filled, but you can edit them as needed. Click Create at the bottom, and you're all set. Will be redirect to the job description setup page. Welcome to the job description setup page. Here you can add screening tests, coding tests, and an interview for this JD. Assign interviewers who will evaluate candidates during the interview. Once everything is ready, publish the JD. But remember, once published, you can't delete any tests or questions. Let's create a screening test. Click the screening test button. Edit the name as needed, set the promote percentage, and click Save. Your test is now created successfully. To edit a test, click the Edit icon. You can update the test name and change the promote percentage. Once done, click Save to apply the changes. Here, you'll see a list of libraries, each with a set of questions. Review all libraries and select the one that best fits your needs. I'll choose the Python Basic Library by clicking Use Library button to proceed. After clicking Use Library, you'll see two sections, Static and Dynamic. By default, all static questions are already checked. For dynamic questions, check the boxes for the desired ones and specify how many of those the candidate should receive. Finally, click Save to complete the setup. To add a coding test, click the Coding Test button, fill in the details, and click Save. If needed, you can edit the test later to make changes. Here, I'll select the Python Intermediate Coding Library by clicking Use Library. That's it, your coding test is ready. The interview is the final test for this JD. To add it, simply click the Interview button and proceed with the setup. I'll select the Python Basic Interview Library by clicking the Use Library button. To assign interviewers for this JD, click the Assign Interviewers button. A modal will open, allowing you to select interviewers from the list. Once you've made your selection, click Save Changes. Once everything is set, click the Publish button to finalize your JD. Please note, after publishing, you cannot edit or delete any tests or questions associated with this JD. After publishing the JD, click the Settings button in the JD Setup page to get the JavaScript code. Copy this code and send it to your developer, who will integrate it into your company's careers page as per the integration guidelines in the code. That's how you set up a job description and start recruiting.